Hey guys, since I am not here today, I decided that I would make a little video for you guys to show you how to cite your sources. If you forget how or you need some extra help when we actually go through and do our research over the next couple of weeks, of course, I will be more than willing to help you. But this is just a really quick overview of what you're looking for. Okay, so we're going to be using the library's website to do our internet research next time, and then the time after that, my plan is to go to the library to do some book research there. For your books, you're just going to have to give me the title and the author's name if you're looking up through a physical book. But if you're doing this through the website, you're going to be giving me some more information. Okay, so we're going to be using Britannica School Elementary, Kids Info Bits, the World Almanac for Kids, or National Geographic Kids. The really cool part about all of these is that it gives you all the citation information already done. You just have to click a certain button and then copy it down. Now, it's going to be a lot to copy down, but before you get too upset about it, when I was in school, I had to not only figure out where all the information was, what order to put it in, and all of that, but I also had to write it down. So be thankful that they're doing all the work for you, and all you have to do is copy it. And then as you get older and you're doing these kinds of things on a computer, you'll just copy and paste. So you're lucky. So I'm going to use dolphins today as my research. Okay, Britannica School Elementary is the one we used last year for your parachutes. So you've got 3 types of information here, 3 different levels, starting at lower level and getting higher, more complex information as you go up. So I'm going to just look at this dolphin article right here. And I've got the whole thing. Okay, get rid of that for you. So you can look, we can scroll down some more. Okay, we can keep scrolling down, or maybe I need to go back up. And let's say that I choose to use some of this information on my project. We want to give credit where credit is due, okay? You never want to pass off someone else's work as your own. That's called plagiarism. It's illegal. That's why we cite our sources, okay? Also, if somebody wants to go back and learn more using the articles that you used, they can really easily. So let's just say that I use some of this information on my project. So this check mark box right here, it says cite. I'm going to click on that. And then right down here, everything that I'm highlighting, that is your citation. So all you have to do is copy that information, this right here, and then that is citing that source that you used information from there. Okay, so that's Britannica School Elementary. Kids Info Bits. Again, we're going to use dolphin. You can't tell I like dolphins. And let's say I just use this first book that's right here. Okay, I scroll down here, I'm reading things, I like what I see, I'm using some of that information. I'm going to click Citation Tools, and everything in this box right here is my citation. Okay, just copy that down on your paper. Then National Geographic Kids, I like this one. It has a lot of different information and different sources of information. You can see over here videos. It's not going to do much help for you, probably. Pictures, kids magazine, that might be good. Books, that would be really helpful. Magazine covers, that's not going to do you much good. Okay, it's just going to be a picture. So I'm going to click on books, and let's say that I choose this one. Okay, I can use these arrows here to click through my books and find some information. Okay, live in family groups. It helps them find food and stay safe. They watch out for sharp shark teeth. Okay, so let's say that I use some of this information. I'm going to go right here to Citation Tools. And everything again in that box, you copy that down, and that's your citation for that website, which is actually a book in this case. Then last one is World Almanac Kids. This one's a little bit different. It's not at the top like all the others. I'll try this one. Okay, I'm reading body design. That might be helpful. habitats and food. That could be really helpful. Okay. And then here it is right here. Yeah, that right there is your citation. Okay. You would start at the quotation marks there for dolphin. Okay. So those are your different ways to cite. Super easy, not super complicated. Like I said, we'll start that part next week. So here in a minute, I'm going to have you guys pick out an animal. So I hope that you get the animal that you want, and I'll see you next time. Bye.